Whenever you're ready. Okay. Closing the window. I feel like I'm mad. Hello, citizens of the Milky Way galaxy. It's your girl, Jalen. Back at it again. Oh, now somebody's freaking dying. The ambulance has to come right by here. Such an asshole. So basically, what's happening today is my life is falling apart, so I'm gonna do my makeup. Swaggy. Hopefully, it doesn't look like I'm naked. I don't know. Melvin is playing video games, so he didn't help me set up the camera today, so I had to do it all by myself. So if I'm crooked or if like something is wrong, like don't yell at me. I don't know. Melvin does this for me all the time. But he told me that I have to learn for myself. But I just think he didn't want to do it for me. But you know, it's fine. It's true. I should be prepared. So I did it all by myself. I set this up. It looks normal. I got a package. I was getting my makeup done one day. And then the girl, she pulled out this palette. And I was just like, what is that? Like, I need that in my life. I looked it up online, and now it's here. And now I have it, and it's mine. They bubble wrap the shit out of this. I'm so excited. Oh my god, there's so much bubble wrap. Look at it. How do I open it? How the fuck do I open this shit? Is it in a box? Oh, it's in a box. I'm sorry, I'm an idiot. Is it this way? Okay, ready? We all take one big look at it together. I'm taking this shit off. Bye. Hold up. I just got a beautiful palette with nice neutral and pink tones. Beach, do you know what this means? I dropped this on. Ah! Beautiful palettes. First of all, the glitters. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry. Can you see this? Hi, hello. Shiny, beautiful. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do a swatchy. I don't know, because I'm really bad at swatching, and it's just gonna be bad. It's called fashion, bitch. Look it up. They like rappled this.
That's 8 rapples. We got a plumbus. That's 6.5 rapples.
Is rappled. They like wrapped this real good. Bebella Cosmetics. I never heard of them until I saw this palette. But they are coming, bitch. Look at this shit. They're coming, bitch. Get on that shit. You heard it here first. Me and Melvin got a plant. She is a aloe vera plant. Her name is Lolo. I grew up with one of these, like a huge one, in my backyard when I lived in DR. And I just saw this and I was like, babe, I need this. Like, I'm gonna use this for everything that my mom used it for. I'm waiting for it to grow a bit more, and then I'm gonna start using it to do like face masks and stuff. I'm not gonna do a swatching. I'll probably, there's probably a picture somewhere that shows you all the swatches, so I'm gonna show you that and like just save you the trouble. But what I do have to say about the shade, as I am, oh, Look at that. She's pigmented. So very, very, very soft. Like, let's talk about this mirror. This mirror is a big mirror. Like, I could use this to do my whole face. Okay, let me stop talking. I usually never ever start with my eyeshadow. I like to just start with the base and then just work my way into the rest of my face. A lot of people say it's better to like do your eyeshadow first because of the fallout and because it'll just give you a much cleaner look at the end. But I feel like I don't really have a lot of problems with my eyeshadow falling out all over the place. Since I'm kind of tan right now, I'm using my summer foundation, which is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea water foundation. It's I like it. Let me see. Okay, that's pretty good. I was just checking that it still kind of matched me. I always see these viral like Instagram makeup videos where they do this. I didn't do it right. I'm trying to do it like the beauty gurus do it. Let me freaking prosper. That's kind of it, but I didn't need that much. Now what am I gonna do with that? I guess I'll just put some in my forehead. It's too light for my forehead. Is it just me? Like, my forehead is always like few shades darker than my face, and I think that's why I usually don't put foundation on my forehead. It's just because to me it's natural for my forehead to look darker. I don't know. I can't do this. I put too much. I'm just gonna use this to blend it down my neck. Oh, this might be too light for me right now. Cause look at this shoulder. Look at my face. Well, whatever. It's not like I'm going anywhere anyway. I'm just freaking doing my makeup for a video. Like, I don't know why, but around right here, the outside of my eyes, like, it's really dry. I don't know. Just know that I know. I'm just gonna like do a little bit of bronzer. So I'm gonna use the color Sunset as like my crease color. So I have one problem. I'm using this, the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, but it's really, I don't really like it. It's just very like drying. I'm gonna like take some of it off. Not a fan of it. It just kind of makes me feel really dry, and you know when like something makes your skin feel very tight? That ain't it, honey. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of it. So I'm just gonna go back in with my eyeshadow. I think I'm just gonna do like my regular stuff and do a pink look, cause you know that's who I am. So what? So I'm gonna use dust of my crease color just to like tone it down a little bit. I think I'm gonna go in with the color Bay. And I usually do these type of shades with my finger because I feel like that's the best outcome. So I'm just gonna go in and put it right in the center of my eyelid. But it's just like really soft shimmer, and it's very, very creamy. Like it's very creamy. I kind of want to darken up my crease, so I'm gonna use the color Autumn, which is this like purple, like magenta. I don't know. It's really like out there. Actually, I want to use a different brush. It worked. I just like tapped it in there. So I just want to like deepen only the outer crease part of it.
Let's blend.
And just like really make sure I pack it on the outer corner. It doesn't look as purple on the eye, which I like. Now I'm just gonna take this blending brush and just try to like blend it as much as I can. Cause bitch, we out here, we wanna look blended, okay? Okay. I'm gonna take the Rose Dust Glitter, which is the middle one, the pink one. So excited right now to use this. And I'm gonna do something I really like doing with glitter shades. I like to put them under my tear duct. I don't know, it's like a pop of glitter. It's very, very fun. Make sure you don't get it in your eyeball, because that would be unfortunate. Oh. And then I'm just gonna bring the glitter up a little bit into this outer corner. I kind of want to make this into a wing. I can't find a black eyeliner anywhere, which is a little weird because I used to wear black eyeliner all the time. I don't know, I'm pretty sure I tried to do my eyeliner the other day, so let me look. Okay. Yeah, no, I can't find my black eyeliner. So I think I have this glitter liner from Elf, which is not a very good one, honestly. It's very you can't see it. But I'm gonna try to create a little wing. You can't really see shit, but you know. I'm gonna do the same pink glitter. I'm just gonna add it on top of it to make it pop a little bit more. Cause bitch, you can't even see this shit. You could cut a beach, girl. You could cut a beach or two or three. Blend that up. And one last time, I'm gonna go in with that beige color. I'm gonna use a brush this time because I want to be very precise on where I'm packing it on. I'm gonna put some lashes on. Bitch, dry. The fuck? Okay, you see now, that's a look. And let's just literally bring everything from 0 to 100, like, coño. Coñazo. These eyelashes are looking kind of rickety. Are these the same pair? By the way, I don't know if Diva eyelashes, I'm using a Diva number 4. I don't fucking know how that works. I don't know if that's the name of it, but if you care to know what eyelashes I'm wearing, hopefully that information helped you. I don't know the name of things. I'm sorry. James Charles is offended right now with his Morphe 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. I don't know. Oh, coño, pero esto no está dry yet. Oh my god, this brush has glitter on it. I forgot I used this for the glitter. Let me brush it off on my thigh because, fuck yeah. I'm gonna use the color Dust, which is the lightest little pinkish color. I don't know. I'm gonna put it over here on my inner tear duct. I'm sorry about this eyelash. It's all types of fucked up. Okay, let me just finish this makeup look so I could wash it off. Okay, so I got this little blush. There's like a pink, it's like a pink highlighter almost. From Ipsy. Wait, no, I don't want to use this brush. I'm gonna use this brush right here. So I'm gonna use this like as a highlight. It's like a very pink little glow, you know. And since I'm doing a pink look, it's really cute because you can really build up the pinkness of it. Now I'm gonna do some regular blush. I know, right? Like, how much do I want the blush, girl? Let's put it under that. I just go a little crazy with blush. Yikes. I'm going to use some of this setting powder to set parts of my face. I'm not gonna bake. I'm not a baker. Okay. Now I'm just gonna do some lips. Okay, I'm gonna do this glitter gloss I have right here. Yeah, I think this one would look a bit more like to play the part with the extraness that's happening today. These types of like lip glosses bring me memories to back in the day. And it smells so good. It smells like vanilla. I'm gonna take this little tiny brush and I'm gonna go back into this pink glitter right here. And I'm gonna dot it around like my freckles. I'm like going a little crazy with this glitter. Like somebody's gotta tell me to stop, but I just can't. It's so fun. Okay, so basically I'm done. Just like, I really like the shades. I like the way that they blended. Yeah, I don't know. I really love the palette as a whole. It really has like a bunch of possibilities where your looks could go from like really dark and like dull colors to really bright and fun pops here and there. And they also have the glitters, which are super awesome, and I'm so excited to keep using. Yeah, I really like the palette. I was so excited to get this. Thank you so much for watching. Sailor Scout out.